In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unusual activity detected on Elevenlabs in just 5 minutes. Whether you're facing connectivity issues or getting unusual activity alerts, these steps will help you navigate and resolve these problems efficiently. Let's start by talking about VPNs. If you're using a VPN, go ahead and disable it. Now, this step is seemingly simple but crucial because VPNs can sometimes interfere with website access, leading to unusual activity notifications. After disabling your VPN, make sure to reload or refresh Elevenlabs to see if this resolves the issue. Next, ensuring that your network connection is stable and active is important. An unstable network can often cause connectivity issues that trigger unusual activity alerts. Do a quick check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Moving forward, open up your browser. Once you've done that, look to the top right corner where you'll see 3 dots. This is your gateway to the settings. Click on these 3 dots and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the settings page where we can do some crucial troubleshooting. One essential step here is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored cache and cookies can lead to bizarre behavior when accessing websites, including activity alerts on Elevenlabs. By clearing them, you ensure a fresh start for your browser. If you're still experiencing issues, it may be worthwhile to try using a different network altogether. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa can help diagnose if the issue is with your network connection. Doing this might bypass any barriers causing the unusual activity warnings. Sometimes, limited access features on free plans might trigger false alerts. Consider upgrading to a paid plan if you find that the alerts persist despite troubleshooting steps. A paid plan might not only help resolve these alerts, but also give you access to a broader range of features and customer support. Avoidance is also key. Be sure not to create multiple free accounts. Multiple accounts can confuse the system and possibly result in unusual activity alerts. Stick to a single account for a smoother experience. Finally, if none of these steps alleviate the situation, don't hesitate to reach out to Elevenlabs support. Their team will have specific insights and tools to dig deeper into the issue, ensuring you get the help you need to continue using their service seamlessly. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to tackling unusual activity alerts on Elevenlabs. Each of these steps is designed to get you back on track quickly and with minimal hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you to navigate and resolve any of these frustrating alerts efficiently.